Okay, I'm waving the white flag. I quit options. But hear me out, hear me out. So I have been trying to sit up here and trade options for the last couple of months. Back in about March, April is when I got introduced. Like I said in the last previous video, I'm actually gonna link it right here below. Is that I tried to trade options with the Aaliyah course. And when I say I really do think that her course is amazing, I love the way that she teaches, she breaks it down. But being in her Discord was very overwhelming for me. It might not be the same for anybody else, but it just was overwhelming for me. And so I decided to take a step back from that. And then just the gata, the beta, the options, the alpha, all that stuff that come in options, it's too much. It's too much. And I felt like I was struggling. Like I was struggling trying to figure it out. And even though you can watch a lot of videos and still not grasp what's really going on, and that's how I felt. But wait, even though I quit options and I'm throwing in the towel for options, I picked up futures. So let's talk about futures because, baby, I just feel like it's more straight to the point. It was easier for me to paper trade with futures, and I really caught on to it, I think, quicker than I did with options. So even though I quit options, I'm still in the market, okay? So I'm with futures. I feel like that's more straightforward. Right now, I'm in Camilla's Discord, and I love, 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 love Camilla down. Like when I tell you she is so disciplined, I'm trying to learn the discipline that she has because I really right now have like I paper traded and did great. And then when I put my money in there, I was sweating bullets. Okay. I put $600 in an account, in a funded account, and I lost $300 just like that. And it wasn't even a simple fact that I I wasn't confident in my trades and I wasn't like I don't know what it is. With paper money, I was sitting there like, oh, okay, it's going down. Okay, but I know it's gonna go back up. I ain't worried about it. But with my own money in there, I was like, hold on, wait. I was clicking the button trying to get my money out. When I say when trading is a discipline, it's a mind over matter sport. Like you have to like realize like you have to really be okay with losing and winning and losing and winning. Like you have to be okay with it. And one thing moving forward, so September 1st is literally tomorrow. And when I tell you I'm not trading scary anymore. Like I really had to sit with myself this weekend and say, look, the only way that you're gonna progress in trading is that is stop loss or TP. It's no in between. You either gonna do stop loss or TP and be fine with it. Only take A plus setups, and that's one thing that the Camilla really pushes is that you do A plus setup. Now NQ be stressing me out because it is a little crazy. I feel like she be having her moment in her days, but I have been looking a little bit at ES because I feel like they kind of move in the same pattern. But this month, September 1st, I am passing a prop firm challenge. So I don't have a funding account anymore. I pulled my little 300. I said, give my money back. Get back. And I'm going prop firm way. So I literally sit up here and I'm with Top Step. So I did Top Step. I got them. I actually do love Top Step. I feel like it's super easy to navigate. I'm still on TradingView though to like watch the trades be played out and mark up my charts. But I actually take my trades on Top Step. I did not pass my challenge last month, and that was just honestly still being like in a scary mindset, not, holding through to watch the trade play out. So that's one thing when I look back and journal and looked over the stuff on the days that I won and on the days that I lost, it was literally majority of the time I just pulled out too early. Like I was just too scared. So in this journey of me trying to conquer, because that's what I feel like I'm conquering futures. Like I'm not giving up. I feel like this is so much easier than options. And when I say easier, I mean it's just I grasp it a little bit better. And so I'm not gonna give up. I'm definitely gonna sit here and stick it through. But in the month of September, I am claiming it in advance. I am passing a challenge and I'm gonna have a profitable month. I don't care if that's only $5. Okay. But I'm gonna sit up here and link my previous video below so you guys can see. It's been a couple months since I've been on here talking about it because I was a little bit stressed out. Options was stressing me out. But I'm definitely gonna sit up here and keep this journey up because I wanna look back and be like, okay, girl, you actually stuck to it and you did it even when it got tough. So I just wanted to make an updated video to let you guys know that, yep, I threw in the trade. I threw in that towel for options, but your girl is trading futures. So if you are someone that's feeling like overwhelmed and stuck with trading options as well, I definitely sit here and say give futures a try, especially if you're new and you're new to the market. Because to me, futures are better than options. I'm just saying.